Well, hello! I'm gonna make a salad. I got all this extra celery, got some radishes, got some jalapenos and some lime and some queso fresco, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. It's gonna be a wonderful little salad if you stick around. I'm gonna try to whoop this together real fast. Got some swing music playing in the background. I mean, what else are you gonna listen to on a Friday night? God, that's good. Okay, we'll put that over here. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this celery. I said to just cut it. Cut the top, leaves and all. Nice and thin. I'm going to cut it down here first with a knife. Then I'm going to put it to the mandolin so I can get a nice even cut. Let's go ahead and get this in the bowl. Alright, let's fire up the mandolin. If you can believe it, my mom got me this cheap old mandolin probably 25 years ago. Thought it would probably last a year. I wanted to get that really expensive one. And here it is, all these years later, and thing still works like a charm. So, let's just do it. Might be flailing a little bit here. Never mandolin a whole stalk of celery before, but that's what they said. Do the whole thing. Dig down a couple inches from the end. Getting that? Yeah, you are. How you doing? I think that's probably enough. Don't want to get too close. Throw that in Mr. Sink. Well, that looks pretty good. Alright. I will, though, put my radishes in my little handle, and I'm going to turn this over, get a nice thin cut on the radish, and let's do it. Perfect. Get rid of you. Ciao, baby. Only have to do this a few times. La 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 la. Don't even have to watch what you're doing. You just put it in there and you can stare, you can sing, I'm my baby, oh. Wish they'd play a song I knew on the radio. Got a Duke Ellington playing right now. A little Mexican beer talking to me. How cool is that? So saying goes. Not bad, man. It's just good beer. This is a very easy salad. I've never made it before, but couldn't believe it. I thought, well, hey, this looks pretty easy, and being I've never done a cooking video before, I figured, well, let's start with something simple. I'm not really a chef. I just cook because, whoops, I cook because I eat. And I like knowing what goes in my food. So, like a lot of you, I just go to the store, buy stuff for a recipe, come home and make it. This is a weird recipe. I've never really seen a salad that's dominantly celery. I mean, well, I'll get those stalks of celery in they go bad because we just don't get to them because there's just so doggone much in a stalk. Okay, let's see what we got here. Alright, you can see the mix. Look at how thin those are. That's actually 2. You can almost see right through it. Very cool. Just throw this around just a little bit. Break it up. Oh, this should be nice. This should be wonderful. As I say, it's a pretty easy salad. We'll bust these up a bit. Looks like the cat. Hey Casey, how you doing? As long as you stay over on your little counter, you'll be good, right? You gonna say hi to everybody? Hey, you gonna say hi? Say hi. Oh, this is nice. These slices are a little large, but I think I'm going to deal with it that way. Alright, let's bring over these jalapenos. I took the seeds out because I didn't want to go overly hot. I know Tisha's not super into the heat, so get the old clam thing going with my fingers, make sure we don't get bit by the knife. Don't want to cut yourself on the camera. Ooh, that would be horrible! Rest your fingers up against the end. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to put an extra chop on it because in the recipe they wanted this all to be the same shape, and I thought, you know, as you can see with the radish, it just kind of sticks together if everything's the same shape. So I think this jalapeno will go around really well, mix out quite well. Well, to say, there's not much to this salad. I'm going to bust some of these up. Alright, you want me to do a lime, roll the lime so I could get my juices out better. What do I have playing? Oh, Fats Waller. Yeah, I like Fats. I know that's Louis Armstrong, but hey, who cares? Hey, Case. How you doing, Sugar Sweet? Sugar Sweet and Lebanon. Alright, well, since I didn't get the olive oil out, I'm going to have to disappear off the camera. So it'll be a little camera jump. Okay, I'm just going to double check my recipe because, as I say, this thing looks so easy. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, whatever. Let's see. I think that'll work for the time being. Let's go ahead and stir this up. See what we got going. What green ass stuff, isn't it? I think this will be good. I think this would probably be wonderful to put inside a tortilla with some steak fajitas. Be a nice taste. Alright. Grab my kosher salt, and I'm going to throw in just a little bit of pepper just to give it a look. Fresh ground. I like to grind it and then put it in the shaker. Alright. Let's see what we got. The only thing left is queso fresco. We'll pull these apart. See if these guys will stay apart now that they get a little olive oil on them. Alright, let me taste some of this, see what we got. Okay, so I'm going to add a small amount of queso fresco. Then when I have the salad, I'll add more. But I'm going to add some of this so it'll help break down just a little bit. Kind of crush it up. This will help keep some of this stuff apart. Got some pretty big radishes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, look at that. They said you could use feta if you wanted. I figured I would stick with the recipe. Oh, that's looking gorgeous. Okay, let's try a little nugget. Get a little jalapeno. Okay. Well, that's right, good. Now I'm going to deeter from the recipe just a little bit. Throw in tiny bit of Lowry's. A little bit of onion powder. Tiniest amount garlic powder. A little bit of cayenne pepper. Just give it a kick. And some red pepper flakes. Give it just a little kick. Let's see how this works. Well, they say while the wife's away, the cat will play. Cat sitting in the box, and I'm sitting here making salad at 1 o'clock on a Friday night, drinking beer, having a good old time, hanging out with you. I think that's kind of nice. Doggone if that doesn't look like the picture. See, look at the picture. Look at that picture. Hey, na 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 na. That's very cool. Put that in another bowl. Let it marinate overnight. Oh my goodness. This is going to be wonderful. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to finish this beer, clean up after myself, and I'll tell you all about it someday. It looks like it's going to taste good, but I want to give it a little time to let all the flavors marry. Alright, thank you very much. My name's Tom Byrne. Hey, here's a little trick I want to show you. You know those hats you get for, girls at the Sally Beauty Supply? They work wonderfully for this. You get a pack of 100 for like $2. Don't buy those stupid ones at the store for 10 for $1 or something, 10 cents a piece. Ah, perfect. Look at that. Hey, I got more tips, but not tonight. I'm drinking. I'm eating that crap tomorrow. Should be good.